Let me show you the very essential point that is needed in order to use YouTube. If you didn't connect other social media accounts to YouTube, this is the step is how you can connect other social media accounts to your YouTube accounts. It is essential point to connect other social media account to your YouTube accounts. If someone wants to contact you, they can freely contact you. If they want this or promotion, if they are your fans, and also for other purpose, they can freely contact you. In order to do this one, let me show the full steps how you can add other social media account to your YouTube accounts. If you are new for my account, please start by subscribing, share for your friends, and like the video. Let me show you. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your phone. Then go to the search bar and type studio.youtube.com. Then search or find. Here you have two choices. The first one, you can use your apps, and additionally, if you haven't app, you can use the websites of YouTube Studio. Let me show you for the apps. Get the app. Then, if you have a YouTube Studio application on your phone, it will show you as you have. Then let me update it. It asks me as I have to update the apps. Then if you have, you have. If you haven't, you have to install it from Play Store or App Store. Then open the app. Click here. Here it shows the settings, feedback is YouTube, and RC other choices. We have here the edit points. Let me touch it. Edit. Here it shows you your YouTube thumbnail and also the profile photos of your accounts. If you go to that, here is the links, your bio description. There also other things. Then here is the links. You have to take it, edit. At here are my accounts that I have connected to my YouTube accounts. Here is my social media platforms that connected to my YouTube account. Then if you have new or if you want to connect at here, you have to click here at the bottom, add. Then at here the details of the accounts that you want to connect to your YouTube accounts. Let me show you WhatsApp. What is WhatsApp? Then I go to my WhatsApp account and here it's WhatsApp. Here I think invite friend. Here is share link. Then copy the links. Then come to here. It says at here add URL. Here is the my WhatsApp URL. After you paste or you can write all the words you got from your browser and or app. After you finish, you have to say done. Then at here you have added the things to my YouTube account. Additionally, if you wanted to delete the accounts that you have linked to your YouTube account, you can follow this step. Click on edit part, then remove, remove. Then after you finish it, you can say save. You have finished. Then if you go to your YouTube account, let me show you. Open YouTube account here. Then my account. If you here is the place where our link is will locate. If someone wants to contact you, they can freely click here, and here is our contact account that were linked to our YouTube account. For example, I have added WhatsApp at now. Here is my WhatsApp account that I have added. I estimate that you have interested at my video. If you like, share to your friends and subscribe my account. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Have a nice time.